Have you ever wondered why the Italian city of Ferrara is renowned for its confectionery delights? Today, we're diving deep into the history and unique qualities that make Ferrara a hub for candy production. Ferrara, located in Emilia-Romagna region of Italy, has a rich history dating back to the Renaissance period. The city's cultural heritage and quiet charm are part of its UNESCO World Heritage listing. The local confectionery industry in Ferrara thrives due to its centuries-old tradition. The city has been producing candy since the Renaissance, and this heritage continues with companies like Ferrara Candy Company. Ferrara Candy Company, founded in Chicago but named after the Italian city, produces popular candies such as candy corn. These sweets are known for their waxy texture and flavors like honey, sugar, and vanilla. Ferrara Candy Company adapts to modern trends by integrating digital marketing strategies. They use online quizzes that match consumers' preferences with candy types, enhancing engagement during holidays like Valentine's Day. Ferrara's confectionery expertise isn't just about mass production. The city's historical roots in Renaissance architecture and cultural preservation create an ambiance that attracts tourists and food enthusiasts. Today, Ferrara Candy Company continues to innovate while honoring its heritage. This blend of tradition and innovation is what makes Ferrara a significant player in the global confectionery market. So there you have it. Ferrara's rich history and modern adaptability make it a candy powerhouse. What's your favorite Ferrara candy? Share in the comments.